Okay, so this is the continuation of part 1 of weather video. As I mentioned a while, girls, the circulation, okay, that the air is moving, and then that movement distributes the heat of the earth. Look at this one. In summer, a ceiling fan should blow the air downward. This makes sweat evaporates faster and people feel cooler. So this is a ceiling fan. Remember that warm gases are rising and cool gases are going down. I'll repeat. Through the help of this ceiling fan, it helps the air inside this room moves and distribute the heat equally. I will repeat. The heat is going up, and then the cooler air is going down. Same also with this one. Hot air and gases are going up, and then since there's a ceiling fan, it helps it to go, the cooler air go down. Okay, that is how the movement of gases and air flowing in the air. Now, question number 8. Demonstrate. Below is an example of route from Europe to Americas. Draw an arrow on the route showing the direction of ship might take to save the most of fuel. How can we save fuel by that? Explain your answer. Before we go to that one, I will show you the illustration. So this is the map going to America. This is the map North America and going to South America. And then this is the Europe. Okay, remember that warm air goes up and cooler air goes down. And then that movement distributes the heat of the earth. Okay, the question is, how are we going to save fuel when we are following the direction of the wind? So for instance, you are from here, from South America, and then you want to sail in Europe. So we need to follow the air direction. And by following the air direction moving up, okay, look at this one. The blue one is the air direction. The blue arrow is the air direction. The red arrow represents the direction of your sailboat. So if I'm going to follow the wind direction, I could save fuel because I am just using the wind to sail. And when I want to go back to America, okay, the wind also blow in this direction, so I could save fuel. Okay, so that is how the wind blows, and that is also the way how the warm gases moves up and cooler gases goes down. And then that serves the distribution of the earth stable. Okay, now let's go to this question number 10. How does air circulation help keeps temperature on most of the earth mild? Remember that Middle East is a hot country, but why sometimes it's cold here? Remember, we have two seasons here in Saudi Arabia, summer and winter. And why still in summer we can still feel cooler? Okay? Because warm air heats cold region and cold air cools warm region. It is because of the air and then the gases circulation. Remember this illustration that the warmer air goes up and then cooler air goes down. So this region is near the equator, right? So when that cool air goes here, it becomes cooler. Okay? Now next, number 11. List 4 factors that can help determine weather at a particular place and a time. Okay? Possible answer, you could answer your own. Air pressure, temperature, and wind and water. Because these 4 factors determine the weather, at the same time, you need to determine it by time and by place because not all places have the same air pressure. Not all places have the same temperature. Not all places is windy. Not all places have the same amount of water vapor. So, this is the possible answer for question number 11. Okay, so I will show you here some symbol, weather symbol that we are using. For sunny, this is the symbol. For clear sky, we have this one. For tornadoes and hurricane, this one, rainbow, windy, thunderstorm. So we use this symbol to easy determine the weather easily by the symbol itself. Okay, that's all, girls. So see you again. Keep up tuned to me. I will share another video for you on Sunday. Thank you and God bless.